Hello everyone, my name is Tambara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by, and a big shout out to all my returning subscribers for all your support. It really does help my channel to grow. In today's video, I will be talking about the sixth part of my overview series of the different visa routes that are available in the UK, and focusing on family visas and providing a breakdown of the visa. So, if you're looking to relocate to the UK with your family to work or to study or for any reason, then this video series is for you. So be sure to watch till the end so you don't miss out on anything. Here on my channel, I talk about how you can relocate to the UK, job with visa sponsorship, scholarships in the UK, immigration updates, life in the UK, and investment. So, if you're interested in content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any great video that I upload. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a solicitor nor an immigration advisor. So, in today's video, I will be talking about the family visa routes available in the UK and giving you a brief overview of its criteria. I have been receiving a lot of questions from my subscribers asking which visa route is best for them. So in this video, I hope and aim to answer their and your question regarding this. As there are many types of visa routes, this video will be in a series. This sixth one will cover the UK family visa. If you have missed part 1 to 5, where I discussed all work and study visa, go and check them out so you don't miss a thing. So, first of all, what is a family visa? You need a family visa to live with a family member in the UK for more than 6 months. You can apply for a family visa to live with your spouse or partner, fiancé, fiancé, or proposed civil partner, child, parent, relative who will provide long-term care for you. If you're visiting the UK for 6 months or less, check if you need a standard visitor visa or a marriage visitor visa. You can apply to extend your stay with your family member if you're already in the UK on a family visa. You can extend at any time before your current permission to stay in the UK expires. If you're extending to stay with the same family member, you will only get up to 28 days left on your current stay added to your new visa. You must live in the UK for a certain amount of time before you're eligible for settlement, indefinite leave to remain. Before you extend your visa, you might be able to apply to stay on the basis of your private life. If you came to the UK on a different visa, you might be able to switch to a family visa to stay with your spouse, partner, child, parent. You can switch at any time before your current permission to stay in the UK expires. How much it costs depends on how you apply. Cost if you're joining your partner or parents or child from outside the UK is £1,538 and from inside the UK is £1,048. Cost for each dependent added to your application from outside the UK is for £1,538 £538 each person. And from inside the UK is for £1,048 each person. Cost for an adult who needs to be looked after by a relative is £3,250 from outside the UK, and is for £1,048 if you're applying from within the UK. You might also need to pay for healthcare surcharge as part of your application. For each adult 18 or older, it costs £1,560 if you're staying for 2 years and 6 months, £1,872 if you're staying for 2 years and for 9 months, and it is £3,120 if you're staying for 5 years. For each child under 18, it costs £1,175 if you're staying for 2 years and 6 months, £1,410 if you're staying for 2 years and 9 months, and £2,350 if you're staying for 5 years. You might be able to apply for a family reunion to join a partner or a parent who has either lived to remain as a refugee or permission to stay as a refugee in the UK. If you or your family are from the EU, Switzerland, Norway, Iceland, or Liechtenstein, you cannot apply for a family visa if your family member is in the UK temporarily on a work visa or a student visa. You can apply to stay with them as a dependent instead. Information you must provide. You will have to have information and some evidence ready when you make your application. Include information for you and any dependent applying at the same time. You will need to provide all your names, your date of birth, your current passport or other valid travel ID, copies of the photo page and any visa or entry stamp in your previous passports, a copy of your biometric residence permit if you have one, details of any previous immigration application you've made, details of any criminal conviction, your national insurance number if you have one, your parents' date of birth and nationality if you are applying from outside the UK, your tuberculosis test result if you're from a country where you have to take the test, a satisfied translation for any document that is not in English or Welsh. You will need to have a blank page in your passport on which to put the visa if you're applying outside the UK. You will need an email address to make an online application. You will also need to give proof of your finances, proof of your knowledge of English. You may need to provide additional documents depending on your circumstances. For example, a sponsorship form from your family member in the UK. So there we have an extensive overview of family visa available in the UK at present. If you would like me to go into more details regarding any of these visa routes, leave me a comment and I will do an in-depth video just on that specific visa route. We have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video so YouTube can recommend to a wider audience. It is so important that we all stay up to date with this information. I hope this video has helped you and I wish you good luck with your visa application. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to join my community so you don't miss out on any great updates with my channel and never miss a thing. Remember, for all your immigration and visa information, keep it locked right here on my channel. See you next time. Bye.